Now in the last lesson, we have got an overview of what data structure is and why they are important to us. So in this lecture, I want to take you one step further and look at algorithms. What's an algorithm? One definition might be a set of steps to accomplish a task. So let's look at the previous example that we gave for the data structure in which we organize wooden items. So if we want to use these wooden items over here, for flooring, we need to accomplish several tasks. First step is we have to choose flooring. So which color that we are going to use. Then we need to purchase it and bring it home. Then the third step is we need to prepare subflooring. And the next step is we need to determine the layout of the flooring in the space. And finally, we need to trim the door chasing and our floor is ready. So as you see, we have completed a set of steps to accomplish our task of flooring. So our data is wooden items over here. First we structured them as a data structure. Then we completed the steps, which is a set of rules as mentioned in the definition of the algorithm. So to make a flooring, we have to complete these 5 steps over here. So these steps together is called an algorithm, which is the set of instructions to complete a task. Now you have clear understanding of what's an algorithm. Every day, during our daily lives, we use algorithm to execute our duties. You might have an algorithm from getting home to work. So first you need to go to the bus stop, then you need to take a bus, then you need to go to the office. So these 3 steps is an algorithm of going from home to work. Or you might have an algorithm of buying a coffee from Starbucks. So to buy a coffee from Starbucks, you need to go to the Starbucks, then pay for the coffee, then get the coffee. So these 3 steps is the algorithm of buying a coffee from the Starbucks. The tasks that we perform during the day are all algorithms. So every day in our daily lives, we perform several tasks. So to complete a task, we are performing some steps. So this set of instructions, this set of steps is called algorithm. In computer science, an algorithm is a set of rules for a computer program to accomplish a task. Learning about different types of algorithm and knowing when to apply them allows us to write time and memory efficient programs. So let's look at few famous algorithms that are used by big companies. You might be interested how do Google and Facebook transmit live video across the internet. So the answer is they are using audio and video compression algorithm to transmit videos lively. Or you might be interested which algorithm is used to find the shortest path on the map. So graph algorithms are used in the Google, Apple or Microsoft Maps to find the shortest path between 2 locations. Algorithms are used in the space exploration as well. Optimization and scheduling algorithms are used by NASA to arrange solar panels on the International Space Station. So by getting deep knowledge about existing algorithms and applying the right one can make our programs faster. It's also important to know how to design new algorithms as well as how to analyze their correctness and efficiency. There are 2 criteria to make good algorithms. The first one is it solves the problem correctly, and the second one is it does it so efficiently. So all in all, in this video we have learned what an algorithm is and how different types of them are used by famous companies. In the next video we will look at why data structures and algorithms are important and why famous companies ask questions related to data structures and algorithms during the interview process from the candidates. So see you in the next lecture.